Hi everybody, we're back with more Revit training. We want to continue with this house project we've been working on. And today is a holiday. It's actually Memorial Day in the US. So happy Memorial Day everybody. So I thought that would be a good day to work on the site since everybody's outside today. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my site plan here. And these are what we call detail lines. And I'm kind of sketching out, say, a road here. And then I think we got like a sidewalk here. So you just take your detail line and you just annotate this draw. I'm not sure if it's here, but I'll just place it here for right now. Go up to this point, and then I'll do another one right here. And then I'll split this. So I can do this with this. Just drag this back here. Let me do that. Unjoin it. Now I'll just do another line from here to here. So this is just to start us out. So right now, I'm gonna go to my 3D view. Actually, I'm gonna tile these views. I'm gonna do zoom all. So I don't really need to see this guy. He can go away. So I'm gonna tile these again. So now we're in our site plan over here. And so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna do what we call on the sided massing a topo surface. So I'll go from here and I'm going to just right out here, I'm going to do 4 of these little points, there to there to there. And then I want to copy these guys. There's several ways you can do this, but I'm going to copy these. Copy one there, one to there. As you can see, the surface coming in. One there. Get one to just here, and then right here, I want to go back here, and then I want to go and hit modify to get out of this, and then I want to select these right here. You select this point, and you can see the elevation right there. So I'm going to say 5 feet for this one. Don't understand what's going on there. Let's go try that again. Okay, there we go. So this one as well. See if I can grab all these with the control down. Will it let me do all 5? Yes, it will. Go 4. I'm going to go 5 here. Enter. Okay, as you can see, the contour is coming in now. So we want to, I think we might want to drop it down a little bit because I got a road coming through there, a walkway. But it really won't matter. We'll deal with that later. Now up here in the front, I want to drop this down really low because this is where my little water, my little lake is going to come in. So it's going to be -1 here for these points. Okay, and this one, and this one, and this one. This will be -1. So now as you look at this in our 3D view, I think I might want to drop this down a little bit more. Let's go with 2. See what happens here. 2. This one here would be -2. Okay, so there's our surface. So once we have that done, what we would do, we go into our properties. No, actually what we'll do, we'll finish. So we have our surface. So this is going to look like this. So now what we can do, we can select the surface here and give it a material. So here it says material by category, and I'm going to go with grass. I'll just use this default material one here. Use this rendered appearance, apply, and OK. So as you can see, there's our grass now. We got grass in here. And now, I'm gonna show this realistically. So that's what we have for our grass. So now let's go and edit this surface. So I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna select this guy. I'm gonna split face here. So I'm gonna select this face to split. And this is where my little lines come in. I'm gonna pick this line, and this one, and this one, and this. This has to be close. So draw a line here to here. And you can do this any way you want. And then I need to close this from here to here. I mean, we've done this before, and then I want to finish this. Okay, I've got an issue here, so I want to cancel that. Got a little issue here, and this will be that issue because we went off the surface. So we need to drag these back to at least there. And I want to finish. Okay, now I have a selected. We need a material here, and this will be concrete. Where's my concrete? So we don't see any concrete over here. I'll just use this cast in place concrete because that's how they would do it. Or let me go back in here and make this show render appearance. Click that guy, see what it's going to look like. That looks pretty good, I think. Apply. Okay. So there's our concrete walk. Then we can go to the back and do the same thing. We want to split face. Actually, we want to do a building pattern. Should have did that first. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to select building pad. And I want to select the walls in this building right here. So kind of doing this backwards. So we'll select this wall, and this is going to come all the way out here. So I'll switch over to pick line, and I'll just pick this line, and then I'll extend these to intersect. This will be our building pad. Probably will need to be adjusted, and then we'll click finish. So we have our building pad underneath now. So then we can go back here and we can do a lot of things here. So let's go with this guy and let's see what we can do on the back. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna split surface again. And then I'm gonna select this surface to split, and then I wanna pick these lines. The sidewalk here. You know, that's not gonna work. So we're gonna have to fix that. Here, here, here. And I'll pick this line right here, and then we'll draw a line here to here, and one here to here, and we'll extend and intersect there, there, and we'll finish. Nope, we need to close this off. So these have to always be closed. Not sure where that's going to land, but we'll come back and fix it later. And so now I'm going to finish that. So there's our rear of the building. Not too bad, I guess. Yeah, it's going to slow over at that road, but we can always drop that down or whatever we want to do there. So now we've got, okay, and then again, we have to change this material. And this is going to be concrete. So this is how you split materials up and for outside stuff, site work. Where is it? Concrete, cast in place. Okay. So there we go. So now let's go up here and do our little front part. So I'm going to come all the way over here, and I want to select this surface. I want to do a split region again here. I want to split surface. So way over here, I'm gonna just do a shape like this. I would say from here to here. Then I'll finish it. Okay, that wouldn't work. You know why? I can't go out of that topo surface, so I'm just dragging this up a little bit because we're gonna cut this out anyway. So there, I want to finish that. This is going to be our sand here. So we're going to go to new material for this, and we'll call this one sand. Oh, shoot. Do I have any sand in here? Let's see what this is. This is it. Okay, so I'm going to just call it the default material. It can be renamed to sand. Then I'm going to say okay. And then I'm going to finish it. So there we got a little road, then we got sand, and right here, let's do that one more time. The split surface, and we'll do water right here. So I'm going to go, let's try that again. We'll select it. We'll split surface, and I want to draw maybe like this. I might get away with this. And we'll go just up to, right to just there. And I want to finish that. So while I still have it highlighted, let's go with this new material. And this one will be water. So this is a Memorial Day special, I guess. We work on our site plan outside. So there's our water. So there you go. So there's our site. Normally this is like, this house really would enter from this way, because that's kind of how these houses go in this part of the world. They kind of, everything, they want the views for the front. So now let's go in our site plan and let's do some elements in here. So let's go to site components. We've got trees and everything here. So let's just go with this one and just place one here and do one there. And now we can go here in this view. Let's make this shaded view. So the trees will look that way in our shaded view. So there's a tree there. And let's place another one. So now how you would find your site components, you would go into insert. And you'll go to load family. And you should have a whole assortment of plants and shrubs. So like here, I got tropical trees here. Let's go back and let's see. We got shrubs. Let's see, we can do a tropical tree. Go in here, and we'll place it right here under site and massing. Go with component, and let's place one here, there. So there you go, folks. That's our site and massing, and we've got our little waterfront here and our deck. And let's have a look at this realistically. So we've got our site, and then I'm going back in the house. So there we go. So we've got our little roadway here, and then the front, the back, or whatever. So thanks for watching, folks. Happy holiday, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe. It helps me make videos like this every day. Thanks again. Bye. Everybody, please be safe.